Good evening, this is Michael 11 Freedom. Hey, today I decided to go take the drone out for a little area shoot of the pool area and just a little surrounding of here at the condo and give you guys just a quick overlook. I'm not going to go too far because it's a little dangerous trying to fly between these buildings, and also you got to take in consideration this is a residential area. So enjoy just a little bit of the view, and we'll see you guys on the next one. I appreciate you guys watching as always. Until the next one. Bye now. Peace. One love.